to the supermarket, just needed one or two things, coming out with like 7. The ultimate sales funnel. This episode is all about sales funnels. We have Funnelting started around 2.5 months ago, and what we notice is that all these users, these hundreds of users which we have already within 2 months, they are very familiar with all these concepts like sales funnels and email marketing, social media marketing, working with a CRM system, all the tools which Funnelting embeds. What we also noticed is that the majority of small business owners, they have no idea what a sales funnel is, or what email marketing does, or how to have the best social media advertisements. So therefore these vlogs. And this vlog is all about sales funnels. It's nothing more than a website with a headline, with a product, with a description, with a button from I would like to have this, and maybe some more information. If somebody says I would like to download this book, this ebook, let's say this is a free thing. They click on this, they're going to the next page. There's something written. Here they need to fill in their details. Here's a button. When they click this, this is being submitted. And you have a thank you and maybe something else with a link to your own website. That's the basic of a sales funnel. It guides your client from 1 to 2 to 3. This is very, very easy. Probably you're thinking now okay, I have a website. Why do I need a sales funnel? Well, a sales funnel is a specific landing page for a specific product, to promote it for a specific audience, where you can collect all their names, details, company names, phone numbers, whatever what. In the next episode we're gonna talk about the email marketing part, which we also have embedded in the system, so that you're creating a loop of a constant stream of new incoming prospects for you. So stay tuned on this channel. So if you really want to grow your business, the growth engine is designed for those who want to do it themselves instead of paying thousands of bucks to somebody else who's going to do it for them. And they're using our platform to do so. So you can do this yourself. Okay, so stay tuned. Next episode we're going to talk about the value ladder. So what is important to have in your sales funnel, and to understand why people click on something and why not, with the sole purpose to grow your business, to grow your revenue, to grow your income stream, because this is very, very important for your business, because new business bringing into your business is the only growth engine of your business.